Jack here, JBF Music and Guitar Lessons, and what I've got for you today is a lick that I stole from a Herman Li Twitch stream. Tab is up on patreon.com/JBF Music. If you got suggestions for quick licks or players you'd like to see me break down like this, then pop a timestamp link in the comments below. But what we're doing here is tapping the 12th fret on the E string, pulling off to the 5th, hammering onto the 7th, and then the 8th. And visualize that shape, right? And just move it to the A string. Now, think of those 8 notes as one chunk. We move on to the next string and we shift it up by a tone. So we're playing a 5th higher from here. And just like before, we're on to the next string. So essentially this first chunk, an octave higher. Alright, same shape on the next string, but we move it up 3 semitones. B string is tuned from the 4th fret, so it's a bit more of a jump, but just like before, onto the next string, the E string. And we wrap it up by tapping that 17th fret. Herman is using octaves to traverse the fretboard over an A minor chord. And for me, I think the 2 points of reference for the position shifts are the lowest note, the one my first finger's on, and also the one that gets tapped. So again, I'm just thinking of this note really, and this one. Same for the final position shift. Click that for a much trickier Paul Gilbert tapping lick, or there for more short tutorials. As ever, the tabs are up on Patreon. Hit subscribe to keep up to date with the channel, leave me any suggestions, and make sure to enable all notifications by ringing that little bell on the side, if you feel so inclined. Cheers, guys.